Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is nne.simdi's kitchen. If you're joining us for the first time, you're welcome, but please don't forget to hit the subscription button below and the notification bell. This is very important so that I don't miss any of our future videos. And so today we're going to be looking at how to make beef stir fry. A very easy recipe with few ingredients. So here are the ingredients I use my garlic paste, my ginger paste, my scallions, my grounded meat, my onions, my diced carrots, my vegetables, my green bell peppers, my corn flour, my oil. You can use as much thing as you like, it depends on you. So I'm going to be in a frying pan, be adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm going to be adding my ginger, my garlic paste, then fry it a little bit. I forgot to say that I already marinated my meats inside my fridge for about 2 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and add my onions and then give it a stir. Not to burn it, just a little bit to caramelize it. Then I'm going to add my beef already marinated in the fridge. If you have already grounded beef, you can use that, but I use my hand to cut this one. A hard work, I kid you not. But it's quite rewarding because I actually like to eat chunks of my meats in my beef stir fry. So I'm going to keep stirring the beef until it's no longer pinkish. After all, it's called stir fry, so you're not cooking it, you have to be stirring it, please. And don't even leave your pot for a second because you can get burnt. Or don't say, okay, it's stir fry, I want to just quickly go and check something. You have to keep stirring it so that all parts of the meat are fully cooked, because you're not cooking the meat, we are stir frying the meat until it gets done. So after a while, it's a little bit cooked. I'm going to be adding my black pepper, a sprinkle, because I already marinated the beef, just a sprinkle of it. Then I'm going to give it a good stir. Then I'm going to be adding my dry rosemary leaves and my curry powder. If you have added it when you were marinating your own beef, you can skip this, but I didn't marinate it because I didn't want to. So I actually have different recipes for marinating my proteins per time. So I'm going to be adding my butternut, then give it a good stir. The meat is almost gradually getting done. And if you are not following us on Instagram, what are you still waiting for? So I'm going to be taking a bite of the meat to see whether it's already softened to my taste or to my liking, because I have children who will be eating this meat, this sauce, so I had better make sure that they can chew the meat. Then after it's done, I'm going to separate it, then put the pot back on fire, add another 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm going to add my ginger and my garlic paste. Then I'm going to be adding my diced carrots. As you can see, we diced the carrot to be sort of in a rectangular and long way. Then I'm going to give it a stir, not to cook, just like the name suggests, stir fry. So we are stir frying everything, and not cooking it. So you have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my green bell pepper, my yellow bell pepper, and my red bell pepper. Then give it a good stir. I'll keep stirring it. Whatever vegetables if you can't find yellow bell pepper, because I know it can be scarce sometimes, you can decide to skip it. It's not compulsory. It's the beef that is actually making it the stir fry and the vegetables. So whatever vegetables you want to use is totally fine. So I'm going to do this for about 3 minutes to 4 minutes. We're not cooking it. Then I'm going to add my meat back, introduce my meat back, and then going to give it a stir. I'm going to give it a stir, keep stirring. It's called beef fry, so you have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring. So after about 3 minutes, I'm going to be introducing my water. But if you don't have water, you can use your meat stock or your chicken stock or your chicken broth. But I don't have any at the particular time I was cooking this meal, so I used my water. So I'm going to be adding corn flour dissolved in water. This is to help to thicken it. I think I used about 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Then I'm going to give it a stir. Then I'm going to add additional butternuts. Then I'm going to add a sprinkle of salt and a sprinkle of seasoning cubes. Give it a good stir. Then I'm going to be switching off the gas at this point before adding my scallion. Then let the heat from the sauce cook the scallion. Then give it a good stir. Remember not to overcook your vegetables. And please don't add a lot of thickener so it doesn't get so thickened. Then give it a good stir and the food is ready. So I hope I've been giving you different Sunday rice options. So it's not every Sunday you're eating banga, you're eating stew, you are eating jollof rice, you are eating fried rice. A lot of things you can do with rice. So thank you for stopping by. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to do that. Until next time, bye.